Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript String.includes method. String.includes is a built-in method in JavaScript that is used to check whether a particular substring exists within a given string. It returns a boolean value indicating whether the substring is found within the string. Let's see the practical example. I have opened my code editor. First, I create a string. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method I write string variable, and next I write include method, and in this I pass string hello. Here, I check our string contain hello word or not. Next, open your browser, inspect page and select console. In console you can see I get true, that mean our hello word include in string. You can see, in our string hello first ladder capital so, in includes method I write lowercase and check what output I get in console. In console you can see I get false because it case sensitive, it's true when our word properly match. Now, I change the string. In include method I write Java. In console you can see I get the value true, because Java word is present in our string. Now, I remove the string. Now, I pass send second argument, it's optional. Here, I pass 15, that means start searching after 15 character. In console you can see I get true because our Java word lie in 15 character. Now, I change start position. Now, you can see I get false, because after 25 character, no Java word found. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.